Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to the EVS class. As you all know, we have begun with the chapter number 14, Air Around Us, found on page number 63. We do have the worksheet for the day, and we will be taking a thorough practice of the chapter in our online class as well. Okay? So make sure the reading practice that I give in the video, along with the worksheet that we are doing, you're solving all of them and keeping it ready and handy to be shared in the online class as well. Okay, this is Air Around Us. We are going to do a quick reading practice. Explanation was already done earlier. So let's begin. Air is all around us. You cannot see it. You can feel air when you fan yourself, blow on your hand, stand under a moving fan. Okay? Moving air is called wind. It pushes the sailboat. It helps a kite fly. It dries our clothes. So what all are the uses of the air? First of all, you cannot see it. Air is colorless. There is no color for air. Okay. You can feel air. Very important point that we need to remember. It certainly helps us in many ways. Like it pushes the sailboat. It helps fly the kite. We all have witnessed this. When there is no air, there is no use of flying the kite because we are not able to do justice to it. It dries our clothes as well. Okay. A soft wind is called a breeze. This is the difference we had discussed. Sometimes the wind blows very fast. See how the leaves are flying in the picture like here. A strong wind is called a storm. There is air in a tire, a balloon, a tube, a football. There is air in your lungs. Put your hand on your chest. See how it moves up and down when you breathe in or out. So remember in the chapter we did the earth, the moon and the sun. How important it was for us to have sunlight for all living beings. So is air important for all of the living beings, especially for humans of course, because we also breathe air and it is important for our survival. Sometimes smoke and dust can make air dirty. We should keep air clean. How can we keep it clean? By ensuring we are not polluting our earth. There's only one earth, okay? We need not burn the fuel in our cars or on our vehicle. We can always stop, tell mommy and daddy to stop and turn off the ignition when they are at the crossroads or a signal. Things like this that we need to take care of. Okay, let's come here. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Moving air is called wind. There is air in our lungs too. Sometimes air becomes dirty because of dirt and smoke. Alright. So let's move to the worksheet for the day. Then we'll see what all we can take up. This is, quickly write your section E. The date is 8.3.2021. Your name and the roll number that you know and you have been writing neatly in your concept test also. Question number 1. Guess who am I? So you need to guess about whom it is being talked about. I am always with you, but you cannot see me. You can just feel me. We are talking about air. Children, here I wanted to mention this here it is written on top that this is the topic we are taking, air around us. So most of the question and your thinking pattern will be that we are going to get question and answers related to air. But in the exam when it comes, it can come from water around us, it can come from people around us, right? You need to understand the question well. If you can read it properly, understanding becomes easy. I'm a strong wind that can harm everyone. This is a storm. S-T-O-R-M, storm. Straight, true or false? You can write the full word. Air is hot during summer. True. T-R-U-E, true. We can see air. False. We cannot see air. We can feel it. Kite can fly in the sky without wind. False. It requires wind to take it to places, to take it to height. Without the wind, the kite will not fly. Because of the light weight, wind is required. Wind can push the sailboat. This is true. Name any two objects that can be filled with air. You can write a balloon. B-A, remember the spelling, double L-double-O-N, balloon. Next is a tube, T-U-B-E, which is used in a cycle. It is used in vehicles like a bike and other things as well. Okay, let's see here. Color the objects that can be moved by air. That means air has an impact on one of these objects. Okay, what is this? This is a flag. You will color this. Clothes, of course, when air or a wind or breeze or storm blows, certainly clothes. So this you will color. A kite, not the chair. A sailboat where it is a small, a home pond. In that a sailboat is there, of course. Newspaper, yes, if it flies, yeah. Yes, this also, I remember when you're going to grow bigger, and most of you have already learned, even from KG1, KG2 you started, you used to make paper rockets. And a paper rocket is the best example that it requires wind to fly. Okay, a leaf, yes. A balloon, yes. And of course, flowers and grass, they require strong air, but it can be moved by air. So you have flag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 objects that can be moved by air. No house will move by air. No, your foot carpet will move by air. No table will move. But the light objects will be able to move by air. Okay. We do have to complete this topic because, like I mentioned, after this we will be in the next class of EVS coming back to textual exercises. But you need to finish all of these and keep it ready, because it is important that when we discuss it, you have a clear understanding of how we are going to take this topic ahead. Okay, I shall see you back in the next class. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.